Thank you for joining. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload a new list. From the partner portal, from inside your account, click on Manage Lists. Then click on Upload New List. Over here, you can either drag and drop or find the file by clicking this button. I have my file here. I'm just going to drag it here. And then this is where I can map the fields. So this is my first name column. So I'm going to select first name from here. These are my phone numbers. So here is my phone number field. And here I have additional information on these folks. So these could be membership IDs. This could be voter IDs. These could be apartment numbers, whatever you want. So I'm just going to map this to custom field 1 and hit this map data button. Save. Okay. All right. So now, as you can see, it automatically chose the ID as my first custom field because I said that that's my field that I want to import. I also had the option of choosing 2 additional fields, which I just left blank. I didn't have any further data. Test upload for demo. Okay. So I named my list. Here's the email address that's associated with this particular list. This means when I send a text to this list, and if somebody responds, I'm also going to get a copy of the response to this email address. And if I reply to the email, that recipient is going to get another text. So that's what this email is here for. Now, every list can have a different email address associated with it, completely up to you. I'm going to hit this button called Upload New List, or just upload here, actually. All right, uploaded successfully, and here it is. So I've got 10 numbers in this list. This is the email address associated with this list. I have the option of downloading a cleaned list. If I have cleaned it, then I can download it, and the downloaded list will show me. It's going to be an Excel copy. It's going to show me which numbers are true cell phone numbers versus which are not. Then I have the option of texting the entire list or pick and choose. But that's basically it. Once you go through those motions, you will have your list here available. And the most recent list always shows up at the top. So you can have as many lists as you like. All right, thank you for watching.